Hello, I am Nicholas II, and I will be talking about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is located in Central Africa, as you can see on these maps here where my mouse is. After researching the Democratic Republic of the Congo, I have decided to give its human rights situation a grade of D. The three issues in my country I chose to talk about are arbitrary or unlawful deprivation of life, restriction of expression, and abuses by armed groups. To start off, there is a lot of unlawful killing in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Governmental security forces, armed forces, and the national police have all committed many unlawful killings with impunity. Security forces arbitrarily and summarily execute civilians, often for failing to surrender their possessions or to submit to rape. Government security forces have also killed suspects during apprehension or while holding them in custody. They have killed demonstrators while attempting to disperse them, and they have committed other killings, including some involving beatings and excessive force, killings during election-related clashes, and accidental killings. As for restriction of expression, the government of the Democratic Republic of the Congo has violated rights to freedom of speech and press, even though it is legal according to law. There have been several instances of security forces attacking, arresting, detaining, threatening, or harassing journalists. Individuals can criticize the government, and criticism is frequent in the media. However, some high-profile figures have been arrested for criticizing the president. The internet is difficult to access in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, as bloggers must obtain authorization from the Superior Council of Broadcasting and Communication. Low internet usage limits the impact the internet has on the economic and political life of the country. The third issue I will talk about is the human rights abuses perpetrated by armed groups. Armed groups have raped, tortured, and killed civilians. They have threatened and harassed humanitarian workers. 9 UN peacekeepers were killed by armed groups in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Armed groups use mass rape and sexual violence as weapons of war, and gang rapes are common. Now I will talk about a current news story from the Democratic Republic of the Congo, published on May 19th, 2019, titled "Torture Thrives in Climate of Impunity in the Democratic Republic of the Congo." Right here. The article talks about the widespread practice of torture and other cruel punishments in the DRC. The DRC's Minister for Human Rights defended the DRC's efforts by arguing that the country adopted laws against torture and that measures are being enacted to strengthen the criminalization of torture. But the United Nations Committee has evidence that these prohibitions are being completely ignored by the Democratic Republic, and that state officers are even perpetrating torture within the country. Now, here are some images of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The collage of 3 photos on the top are images of the protests against the delay of elections in 2016 to 2018. The bottom picture here shows protesters speaking out against the killing in Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo. Alright, that is all for my website. Thank you.